Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll go ahead and show you on how you can lower file size in Streamlabs. Simple guide. So let's go ahead and open up our Streamlabs right here, and let's say that you mostly record your screen in Streamlabs, but your file size is big. Now, that is because you are recording in a very high quality or even in a high refresh rate. Now, if you want to go ahead and lower those file sizes, you can just go ahead and navigate through the settings, and from here you want to click on output. Inside output, you will go ahead and see the recording quality. Now, if you have a high or large file size, it's mostly like you're selecting the lossless quality, which is tremendously large file size. If you want to go ahead and lower the file size, you can just select the high quality medium file size. From here, you can also go ahead and scroll down and make sure that your encoder is selected to NVIDIA NVENC if you're using an NVIDIA GPU, or if you're using something like an AMD, you can just go ahead and select those proper encoder. Now, you can just go ahead and also navigate through the video right here, and once inside, you want to make sure that you are selecting 1080p. Maybe you have a 2K resolution monitor and you record in a very high resolution. You want to make sure if you want to lower those scaling, you can just go ahead and record at 1080p to keep the file low. Below that, you want to select bilinear, and you want to make sure that your FPS value is selected properly. Now, if you're recording something like this tutorial right here, you can just go ahead and select something like 30 FPS, which basically means 30 frames per second or 30 pictures in a video per second. If you go ahead and raise it into something like 60 frames or even 144, this will tremendously make the file size even bigger. So I suggest if you're just recording something like your browser, or if you're recording something like your gameplay, a simple gameplay, you can just keep it at 30 FPS. From there, you can just click on done, and you will be able to go ahead and keep your file sizes low. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.